how to transfer assets from Binance to Phantom Wallet on PC. Now, first of all, we need to open the Phantom Wallet, as you can see. Now, after that, make sure to know what kind of cryptos or what kind of tokens you have on your Phantom Wallet. So those that can be able to transfer it from your Binance if you have funds on to your Phantom Wallet. So if you don't find your token here that you have funds on, now you can go back to your Binance and convert it to one of these tokens that you have on your Phantom Wallet, as you can see. So for example, if we have the funds on SUI token, now you can click on it, and now you can click on receive. Now you can copy to withdrawal address of this token. So now you can go back to Binance account and head over to wallet. Now click on spot, and as you can see here, click on withdraw, and now in the search bar, search for SUI like that. So after you find it, now click on it. Now here in the address, you can paste the withdrawal address that you copied from your Phantom Wallet. In the network, select the SUI. Now, as you can see, you can now provide or enter the amount that you want to transfer like that. Now, after that, click on withdraw, and you will be able to receive your token on your wallet. So this is how to transfer assets from Binance to Phantom Wallet on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.